This user tip, I'm going to demonstrate how to use and when to use the diffuser on the LED ring light. All of Vision's Swift Pro's LED ring lights come with a diffuser which you can engage by moving one of the two plastic tabs either side. What the diffuser does is takes the four individual spots of the ring light and diffuses them, spreading light more evenly across the part. Let me show you how this works. I'm going to put a part in the machine, focus down on it, and in the image here you can see the petal effect from the ring light. I'm going to diffuse the ring light, and what that actually does when I bring the lighting back up is it allows more detail to pop out from the part by diffusing the light shining on the part. This is how you use the diffuser on the Swift Pro ring light.